Today we're going to take a look at the vacuum sealer that is rechargeable and portable. This is going to be great for me to take on the road. Okay, so we have the unit itself. We have 1, 2, 3, it looks like about 10 bags or so. Comes with the resealable bags. The USB Type-C charging cable. We have the instructions. We have kind of the envelope / bag cutter. Okay, so let's take a closer look here. We have the various buttons here: on, off, wet or dry ingredients, vac seal, seal only, that's just to seal the bag. And then we'll find out what this inching is. Taking a look inside, we have this protective thing here. Also comes with this vacuum hose, so if you have the specialized containers that you want to airtight seal a jar or something like that, and that's an attachment available as well. Also found out what the inching is. That's when you press the button and takes a little air out, you sort of stage it instead of automatically sealing like this. First things first, let's get this thing charging. All right, guys, here is my first attempt at using the battery vacuum sealer. With the price of meat, I've been buying in bulk, and we're gonna try to seal it up here. Try to do this with one hand. So we're pressing down, okay? And now I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'm going to hit vac sealing. Let's see. Oh, it's right to work. Yeah, air came out pretty quickly. And I believe it's sealing now. We'll wait and see for the light to go off. And there's the light off. And push up. And there we go. Now let's do some steaks. Click that down. Hit the button again. Another thing these are great for is if you do sous vide cooking, which is dropping this in a hot water bath with sous vide cookers. This makes it super, super tender and cooked to the perfect temperature every time. So drop these bags right in the hot water, and then you finish in a hot cast iron skillet, or even in a pizza oven, on the grill, however you like to do it. But it's a really good way to cook, and these bags are great for it. I'm obviously just doing another steak here, but another thing you might want to try is seasoning this up or putting in a very light marinade. Don't do a very juicy marinade, otherwise the oil will suck back up into here. The directions say don't do that. But if you do a light marinade, it'll help penetrate the flavors into the meat faster too. So let's just get you a final measurement here as to what size bags you can expect to fit inside. There's about an 11-inch opening. The unit itself is about 14 inches long, so you're looking at a 10 to 11-inch wide bag. Of course, you can use longer bags for sure, but that's the sealing capacity of the AIRVERSE battery-operated vacuum sealer. Couple things. I have used other vacuum sealers, corded ones, never a battery-operated one. This thing performed every bit as well as my corded one that I currently have, and it had a powerful suction. It did the job. The seal was tight and waterproof and airtight, of course. Nothing leaked out. The bags that are included are a nice thick quality. They did work well in the sous vide method when I submerged them in water. Remained airtight throughout. So these are great if you want to do a fast marinade, if you want to buy in bulk, freeze and store. If you're a hunter, this is great. But really though, with grocery prices these days, this is a handy tool to save a few bucks and be able to freeze and store things for a long time. So highly recommend this. This is a great little unit.